In this tutorial, we will look how to implement slicers in Excel. As you can see in my data, it's employee data set, and you can see there are multiple columns like employee ID, then name, zone, designation, department, salary, and date of joining. So now if I need to apply some filters on the data, suppose I want just the data from the East zone. I want to know which employees belong to the East zone, or I just want the data of the manager, or it can be like I just want the data from the HR department. So these are actually the filters which we can apply on our data set. So slicers are actually very helpful when applying filters to our data. So these are actually like pivot tables in which we can apply certain filters and we can get data instantly. So let's move on to the implementation part. So the first step is actually you have to convert this data into a tabular format. By default, Excel basically considers the data as data set. It's not in the tabular format by default. So you have to convert the data into the tabular format because slicers can't be implemented on a regular data set. It requires the tabular format so that slicers can be implemented. So to convert the data into the tabular format, you just need to select the entire data and just press Ctrl T. It will open a pop-up menu like this. You just need to make sure that my table has headers option checked and click OK. So you can see the data is converted into the tabular format, and there are some filters as well. You can just, now if you can see these filters, it means that the data is successfully converted into tabular format. So now what's the next step? Now we'll move on to the next step, which is implementation of the slicers. So you have to select the entire data and then click on insert. Here you can see the slicer option. Just click on it and it will open a window like this. Just select the options which you want to consider into the slicers. I will take the employee name, zone, designation, and department. I just need these 4 slicers, so I will click on OK. It will open 4 slicers like this. Just drag and drop them to the position where you want to keep them. I think it's looking nice now. Now next step is to see how to implement the filters. If you want the data from the East zone, just click on East. It will give all the data from East. And now if you want to see the HR department's data from the East zone, just click on HR and it will show you the HR department data from the East. This is how the filters work in the Microsoft Excel with the help of slicers. And if you want to choose the multiple items, you need to check this option first, multi-select. Either you can click on this or you can just click on Alt plus S. I will click on this. Suppose I want the data for the South as well. So I will click on it. It will show me East and South data from the HR department. And if I only want the manager and associate data from East and South zone of the HR department, then I will click on this as well. And I will choose associate and manager. Yeah, now you can see that I get the data of the associate and manager of the HR department from East and South zone. This is how the slicers work in Excel. You can apply multiple filters with them. And that's it for this video. I hope you like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.